Hello. Yes, everything that I feared was going to happen did happen to me. हर वो चीज़ जिसका मुझे डर था कि ये होगी, it definitely did happen. Okay, I don't even know where to begin with this. I don't even know what to say. I don't even have the words to describe it. It's literally one of the most bizarre feelings because, like, I was, this was my fear. This literally was my fear that did came true. And now I'm living it. I'm literally living my worst fears right now. So, yeah, to make it like clear with the thing, uh, of course, in the last video, I did say that I do not have a job that stays the same. I have moved out from my Delhi apartment to not apartment, it's kind of like a flat or something, should I say. Apartment is not the right word for it. So I have moved out from that house and back to my hometown, and it was not pretty. First of all, the moving out itself was not pretty. Something did happen, a lot of things did went wrong, and it was so chaotic, so chaotic. It was horrendous. It was hell. It was literally hell that I went through. And I had to pack my entire stuff, like the everything, in within 24 hours, and I moved out within 24 hours from there. Like, literally, like, seriously. It was horrific. It was so horrific. You do not understand. I don't know how to explain this to you, how to make everybody understand this, but to pack your entire house, like, okay, I did not have much furniture, just a study desk and one study uh, office chair, something, but still I had a lot of stuff, and to pack my entire life there within 24 hours and moving out of there, shifting the entire stuff, like, I did not even had the boxes. Like, I know how I have managed to pack all that stuff. And I was like, my stuff was like literally on fourth floor, packing all that stuff and moving it out of fourth floor with no lift. Nothing is more bizarre than that. Like, my body is, this is like, I moved out on Sunday and I started packing on Saturday. I moved out on Sunday. This is Friday and my body is still hurting. My back is dead. It's literally dead. My brain is, my head is still humming constantly. I did fell ill. Monday was Sawan ka pehla somvar, so I was fasting that day. Just like it was like a cherry on top for the whole chaos that I was going through. So I did fell ill by Tuesday evening, and by Wednesday I was like completely out of it. I had vomiting, I had PP low, fever, my body's aching so bad still. I had to take a lot of medicines, and I had, God, I don't even want to count the things that I've been through in the past few days. Like it's like nothing is left from the calendar or the chart, whatever God has for me. Like, everything is ticked off at this point. Everything is ticked off. Nothing is left. I'm so overwhelmed, and I'm like, I don't even understand how to deal with this thing. Like, what do I do? How the hell things got this far? I have right now I have no plans. Whatever plans I had, whatever things that I was planning to do, it's all in a trash bin now because my brain has stopped working. And it's not just that. Like, my face, look at my face. My skin is literally dead. I have acne marks all over my face. My skin is suffering through it. My hair are falling out on a rapid pace. My hair are completely damaged along with my brain. My health, physical health is not okay. My emotional health is definitely far worse than whatever it has ever been before, and my mental health is definitely in a dumpster. Career though is like, I don't know if it's anything left of that. Like, I don't even have the pieces to pick up at this point. uh, One thing that was like the most important thing to me was my career, and I do not have that one anymore. So I am at that point in life where I literally have nothing to lose, because I have already lost everything there was dear to me, like personally, on a personal level, on like a very very personal level, just something that was just for me. On that level, whatever was dear to me, I have lost all of that, and I don't even know where to begin. I'm not even sure if I want to get back up or not. I'm questioning everything. I'm questioning everything in life, every decision that I've ever made, everything that I've ever done. I'm questioning my existence at this point. I don't want to go onto the road of depression and anxiety and falana dhimkana and all of that. I'm not gonna go on that road, but yeah, it's like the worst situation I'm in right now, and the job market is far more bizarre than whatever it has ever been, and apparently it feels like the entire world is working against me. That like everyone's gonna find a job but her, like but me, like इसको तो नहीं मिलनी चाहिए, right? Like I don't know what to do. I have zero idea what to do, what not to do, how to deal with the situation. I have zero motivation, like zero motivation and zero plan of action. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'm not gonna do anything. um I don't know how did I even how did I even reached here? Like, who, how did this happen? Like, this was not the plan. I was, I had plans. I had things planned out that I was gonna do professionally. I did had plans like, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do that, and we're gonna reach this point and that point, and then we're gonna do this. I had everything planned out, and now everything is under the ocean. Everything is under the ocean. And I just, I don't know, maybe it's just my delusion or something, but I cannot accept whatever my life is right now. I cannot, I don't know. I just, oh God. My head hurts. This today is Friday. Today I am feeling a bit better. Like, my body is a little bit in working condition, and my brain is not humming that much today, and I'm able to eat better a little bit. I don't know what's gonna happen, but I think making these videos is just because right now I don't even have anybody to talk to. I cannot go to meet my friend right now, and I cannot talk to them right now. I'm not even sure what to talk, and whatever I'm mumbling right now, right here, is just something that is with me. I think this is just my medium to let it all out, like trying to make sense of something which is not going good so far. I'm so short of words because I don't think I'm still being able to comprehend with my own situation. I am not able to understand what is even happening right now. I cannot understand. I cannot make sense of anything that is happening to me right now. Forget about getting out of it, forget about resolving the situation or moving on from here. I right now I cannot even make sense of anything. I don't even know what's happening. So resolving it is like a, what do I resolve? I don't even understand what's going on. But yeah, whatever. This is the current situation. I'm back in my hometown with no job, no prospect, and I'm 27 years old. So there's like this pressure of getting married on me as well. Worst fear of my life. So yes, that's that. Everything is happening all at once, and yeah, from my dreams of growing up in life to hitting the complete rock bottom. I am at the rock bottom. Anything beneath this is the direct lava, the core of the earth. Anything beneath it. I am at rock bottom. And I'm not on a fucking trampoline. Okay. I'm not on some kind of a trampoline. Okay, I hit it the bottom. Now I'm gonna jump back. No, I have no trampoline. I am at the rock bottom and I cannot see any steps or any kind of help or any kind of rocky wall to for that I can climb up from. Is just bottom, complete like bottom. I'm some it, I feel like I'm some kind of in a hollow space, and I'm just floating in that hollow space, pitch dark hollow space, and there is nothing. No bottom, no left, right, center, up, nothing. I'm just floating in this hollow blank space. I cannot see anything. I cannot feel anything. There is no object. There is no substance. There is no another particle of atom apart from myself. And it's literally the worst feeling that I've ever felt. In the first few days I felt I had this thing like, I have started my life from scratch three times before I can do it again. No, I cannot. I'm 27 years of age. I do not have the time. I do not have the opportunities. I do not have the same platform anymore. I do not have the same amount of time anymore. I do not have the same amount of leverage anymore of being young. I'm not a young, I'm literally an old auntie at this point. And not having a career, not having a stable income, not having a stable career is the most bizarre thing that could ever happen to me. I am very ashamed. I am embarrassed. I am feeling humiliated. I am feeling depressed. I am feeling like a failure. And I'm feeling everything worst a person could feel about themselves. Like everything worse. Nothing is worse than whatever I'm feeling about myself right now. And I do not know how to get better from this. I do not know how to make things better from here. I cannot see any further. सामने देखने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं. I cannot see anything whatever is in front of me, or any kind of way I cannot make out. Yes, you can say like start again, go where. रास्ता दिखना भी तो चाहिए. I cannot see a way right now. There's nothing in front of me. There is nothing left, right, center, up, down, nothing. This is a complete hollow space that I'm floating in right now. And I just wish for as a substance who like, we are made of atoms. I'm the kind of situation I am in. I would just feel I have this wish for myself to be all the atoms that I'm made of. I just wish for all of those atoms to just be just scattered apart into the space and just be over with it. I don't know. I don't know what to think. I don't know what to say. Whatever it is, this is my story right now. As of right now, this is my story as of right now. maybe there will be another video. Maybe there's, if the stories goes from anywhere, we'll know it. If it doesn't go anywhere, we also know about that as well. But this is this today, this is where I stand, and with no prospectus, with no prospect of any future, foreseeable future. Like, yeah. So